first aid, but we have a situation. Blue has escaped the Raptor Encounter. Repeat, Blue has escaped the Raptor Encounter. I need you to wrangle her and get her back to Sector 5 before the guests arrive. Keep your head on a swivel and sweep all areas, especially the bushes, her favorite hiding spot. But be warned, the fences are rebooting, so be quiet. Have you seen anything at Thunder Falls? I have an idea. I need you to go to the visitor center and grab the Raptor Lab keys. It's straight ahead to your left. You made it. Did you find the keys? Good. Now wait. Don't move a muscle. We've got company. The T-Rex fences are still offline, and those fossils above you don't look too sturdy. On my mark, head to the side door. 3, 2, 1, run! Wrong door! Get out of there! Take cover in the Velociraptor Lab. Go! Ooh, that was a close one. Okay, this might sound crazy, but I need you to use the Velocicoaster to lead Blue back to her pen. She's drawn to fast movement. We only have one shot at this, so stay alert. Looks like the fences are back online. Just in time, too. Blue is headed your way. Now go! It's working! She's right behind you. Get ready to jump! Jump! Nice job! Now head down this path and get over to the Raptor Encounter and make sure the paddock is secure. I'll take it from there.
Don't move. Whoa! Steady, Blue. I said steady. Good girl. Whoa. Watch it, Blue. Okay, rookie. Maybe you should get out of here. Get back, Blue! Watch out!